Today we are learning how to make the photo pop-up effect where your video pops multiple times on screen to create a fun, energetic visual perfect for lively edits or dance moments. Let's jump straight in. First, import your video into CapCut and tap it to select. Now open the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects. Remember, effects in CapCut Mobile are applied directly onto the clip itself. Inside the categories, go to the Split tab. Here, look for an effect called 5 Pop-up and tap it to apply. You'll instantly see your clip duplicate and pop repeatedly, producing a dynamic multi-jump appearance on your screen, creating a cool motion burst effect. To fine-tune the animation, tap on the effect again. You'll find a speed slider. Increase the speed for fast, snappy pops. Lower the speed for a slower, more stylized burst. You can also drag the edges of the effect on the timeline to control how long the pop-up animation stays active in your video. And that's it. You've successfully added the photo pop-up effect in CapCut Mobile. It's quick, playful, and adds a super fun punch to your video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.